Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making up some lentil soup. It's time for soups. It's getting cold. We were really cold over here in Texas this morning and boy did it feel good. So I'm going to make us up some lentil soup and a pan of cornbread. Everything you need for this will be in the description box. Okay, so that's where all the ingredients will be. Here in my pan, I have a little bit of oil, maybe a tablespoon. We're going to saute all of our vegetables, which is our carrots, our celery, and our onions. I have these all chopped up in fairly small pieces. You can go as big or small as you want, but I wouldn't go too big. And we're just going to get these sauteed till everything starts softening, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. I've had these sauteing maybe 8 to 10 minutes, like I said. Okay, now we're going to add, oh, this smells good already, some chopped garlic. Keep this moving. You don't want to ruin your pot of soup with burnt garlic. So I'll just keep that moving. Okay, got that done. Now to that, I am going to add my chicken broth. Get that in there. Now I like to use the Knorr chicken bouillon. Let me get in my cupboard over here and show y'all what I use. Okay. This is what I like to use. It's a powder and you just mix it with your water. But you can use better than bouillon, whatever you like. That's just what I choose. Okay, and we're basically just going to bring this to a boil. Get all them onions and yum-yums down in there. And I'm going to add in a little bit of thyme. And I just kind of crush that between my fingers. A can of diced tomatoes, juices and all. And I have my sorted and cleaned lentils. Make sure you clean those well, okay? Now my sausage, I'm going to add last because I don't like to cook the sausage in there because you know how when you cook sausage, when you put it in the broth, it's like everything just cooks out of it. And I use the skinless sausage, and I probably got maybe a half a pound there. You can put much as you want. You don't even have to put any sausage if you don't want. You could do bacon, you could do ham, whatever you'd like. Or none at all. But I'm going to add that sausage in at the end. Okay? I got some potatoes over here. I just use these little baby Yukon Gold potatoes. Maybe a pound of them or so. And just cut them in half. You don't have to peel these. And where is your spoon at, Donna? Let me grab my spoon over here. Give this a stir. We're going to bring this to a boil. Now, add your salt last because chicken broth is salted. And I'll get some pepper in here, much as pepper as you'd like. But once this boils, I'm going to get the lid on it. We're going to cook this until them potatoes and those lentils. Lentils don't take as long as a bean. You know, they're maybe 40 minutes to an hour, just until everything's tender. Potatoes are nice and tender. Lentils are nice and tender. But I'll let this, it's just about getting ready to come to a boil. So I'm going to go ahead and let that do that. Turn it down, leave the lid on, let it simmer till everything's tender. Okay, our soup is done. Mine cooked for about an hour. As I said, just until everything's nice and tender. And we'll get that lid off. Now, my sausage, I just fried it a little bit. And we'll add that in there. That is hot. This sure is a good hearty soup. Let me grab my spoon over here. And I'll just add in that sausage there. That's going to give this a lot of flavor. Look at there. Don't that look delicious? Yeah, I like to add that sausage in at the end. That way nothing cooks all out of it. It stays fairly tender. Look at there. Sure is delicious with this cold weather. Nothing better than some comfort soup with this cold weather, right? So I'm going to get this bowled up with some cornbread. Okay. There is the soup. I had some celery tops there. I just chopped up and put on top of it. Make it look pretty. But I got me some jalapeno cornbread to go with that. And I'm going to get a bite here with you all. Look at here. I love those little baby gold potatoes and those lentils. Oh, goodness. I'm going to get a little bite of my jalapeno cornbread. And I want some of that potato. Look at there. That's comfort food. I have to dip my cornbread in there. And that broth. Oh, yeah. But there it is, y'all. I hope you guys give it a try. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like, subscribe, and share. It helps my channel. I'm definitely nothing without y'all, right? But we'll keep doing this as long as I can get some shares out there and some subscribers, right? But until next time, you guys tried that soup out. It may be something different for a lot of y'all that don't, you know, a lot of people don't even know what lentils are, you know, and they're delicious. But give them a try. Make you up some cornbread. Cornbread goes good with it. And until next time, you guys love one another, eat well, take care of one another, and stay blessed. And we will see you all soon. Make you up some soup. Bye-bye.